More than 150,000 people in the United Kingdom have now died within 28 days of testing positive for coronavirus, according to government figures. Only the US, Brazil, India, Russia, Mexico and Peru have reported more than the 150,057 fatalities recorded by UK health authorities since the start of the pandemic, although measures vary, with the number of death certificates in the UK that mention COVID-19 exceeding 174,000. In a tweeted statement, Boris Johnson said, "Coronavirus has taken a terrible toll on our country, and today the number of deaths recorded has reached 150,000. Each and every one of those is a profound loss to the families, friends and communities affected, and my thoughts and condolences are with them. Our way out of this pandemic is for everyone to get their booster, or their first or second dose if they haven't yet." The grim milestone was surpassed as the UK Health Security Agency, UKHSA, reported a further 313 deaths, bringing the total this week to 1,271, and marking the third time in the past 10 days that more than 300 fatalities have been reported. Prior to that, the number of deaths reported in a single day had not exceeded 300 since late last February, a month in which the Alpha variant drove a wave of more than 14,000 fatalities, which was less than half the number of lives claimed by the virus in January 2020. Professor Andrew Hayward, who sits on the government's Scientific Advisory Group for Emergencies, SAGE, told BBC Radio 4's PM programme the UK could have done better on preventing loss of life. He added, "I think some of the deaths are even more tragic for the fact that many of them were avoidable if we had acted earlier in the first and second wave." Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer said the death toll represented a dark milestone for our country. "Our thoughts are with all those who have lost someone, and we thank everyone supporting the vaccination effort," he said. "We must ensure the public inquiry provides answers and that lessons are learned." Joe Goodman, a co-founder of COVID-19 Bereaved Families for Justice campaign, said the official figure of 150,000 coronavirus deaths being recorded was yet another indictment of the government's handling of the pandemic. "We didn't need to be here, and bereaved families and the rest of the country need answers as to how we have suffered one of the highest global death tolls," she said. "This is ever more urgent as deaths from the Omicron variant continue to surge, with little apparently being done to address this. The public inquiry cannot begin its work soon enough." A further 146,390 infections were also reported by the UKHSA on Saturday, the lowest in 11 days, bringing the total number of people who have tested positive since last Sunday to above 1.22 million, a rise of 10.6% on the previous week, as the Omicron variant continues its rapid spread. As of Thursday, there were 18,454 people in hospital with coronavirus, up from 14,126 a week before on New Year's Eve. Some 868 of those in hospital on Thursday, or 4.7%, required mechanical ventilation to help them breathe. What we are seeing from hospital admissions is that stays in hospital do appear to be on average shorter, which is good news, Professor Mike Tildesley, of the University of Warwick, said on Saturday. "Symptoms appear to be a little bit milder. So this is what we are seeing consistently with the Omicron variant." Professor Tildesley, who sits on the SAGE modelling subgroup SPI-M, suggested that infection rates in London appeared to be slowing down, but said that scientists would need 2 weeks to see if this continues, following the return of schools and many people to the workplace. Suggesting that most other parts of the country are about 2 to 3 weeks behind where London is in their epidemic profile, he told Times Radio on Saturday. Particularly concerning are the northeast and the northwest of England. "If you look at hospital admissions in those two regions, they are going up. Also the Midlands, where I live, that's also a little bit concerning. So it is a worry." UK News in Pictures show all 50 UK News in Pictures, UK News in Pictures, the 7th of January, 2022, a dog looks out of a car window at the wintry conditions in Killishin, Company. Lewis, PA, UK News and Pictures, the 6th of January, 2022. People walk through frost and mist alongside a frozen lake during sunrise in Bushy Park. London. Reuters, UK News and Pictures, the 5th of January, 2022. A skier jumps on the slopes at Allen Heads in the Pennines, to the north of Weardale, in Northumberland, Pennsylvania. UK News and Pictures, the 4th of January, 2022. Freshly fallen snow covers houses in Corbridge, near Hexham in Northumberland, Pennsylvania. UK News and Pictures, the 3rd of January, 2022. Dean Morrison, 13, receives his COVID-19 vaccine from student nurse Anthony McLaughlin during a vaccination clinic at the Glasgow Central Mosque. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 2nd of January, 2022. Konstantinos Tsimikas of Liverpool with Chelsea's Mason Mount during the Premier League match at Stamford Bridge. Liverpool FC. The Getty. UK News and Pictures, the 1st of January, 2022. New Year's Eve lasers, drones and fireworks illuminate the sky in front of the Royal Naval College in Greenwich shortly after midnight in London. EPA. UK News and Pictures, the 31st of December, 2021. Competitors in fancy dress run across the Pennon Tops near Haworth, West Yorkshire, in the annual Auld Lang Syne Fell race, which attracts hundreds of runners every year. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 30th of December, 2021. Sunrise at Bamber Castle in Northumberland, Pennsylvania. UK News and Pictures, the 29th of December, 2021. The Very Reverend Dr. Robert Willis, Dean of Canterbury Cathedral, looks at Beckett, a 6-month-old red-billed chough, as he visits Wildwood Wildlife Park in Kent on the anniversary of the murder of Thomas Beckett. PA. UK News in Pictures, the 28th of December, 2021. Troops of the Household Cavalry are seen reflected in a puddle during the changing of the Queen's Life Guard on Horse Guards Parade in central London. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 27th of December, 2021. A pedestrian walks past a winter sale sign outside a John Lewis store on Oxford Street in London. Getty. UK News and Pictures, the 26th of December, 2021. Riders take their bikes through the snow near Castleside, County Durham, Pennsylvania. UK News and Pictures, the 25th of December, 2021. Patrick Corkery wears a Santa hat and beard as waves crash over him at 40 Foot near Dublin during a Christmas Day dip. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 24th of December, 2021. People stand inside King's Cross Station on Christmas Eve in London. Reuters. UK News and Pictures, the 23rd of December, 2021. Christmas shoppers fill the car park at Foss Shopping Park in Leicester. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 22nd of December, 2021. The sun rises behind the stones as people gather for the winter solstice at Stonehenge. Getty. UK News and Pictures, the 21st of December, 2021. People take part in a winter solstice swim at Portobello Beach in Edinburgh to mark the solstice and to witness the dawn after the longest night of the year. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 20th of December, 2021. An auction employee displays poultry to buyers and sellers attending the Christmas poultry sale at York Auction Centre in Merton. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 19th of December, 2021. João Moutinho of Wolverhampton Wanderers looks on during the Premier League match between Wolverhampton Wanderers and Chelsea at Molino. Getty Images. UK News and Pictures, the 18th of December, 2021. Freight lorries queuing at the Port of Dover in Kent. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 17th of December, 2021. Newly elected Liberal Democrat MP Helen Morgan bursts Boris bubble held by colleague Tim Farron as she celebrates following her victory in the North Shropshire by-election. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 16th of December, 2021. Brussels sprouts are harvested by workers as they prepare for the busy Christmas period near Boston in Lincolnshire. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 15th of December, 2021. Lewis Hamilton is made a Knight Bachelor by the Prince of Wales at Windsor Castle. PA. UK News and Pictures, the 14th of December, 2021. The Royal Liver buildings surrounded by early morning fog in Liverpool, Pennsylvania. UK News and Pictures, the 13th of December, 2021. People queue outside a walk-in COVID-19 vaccination centre at St Thomas's Hospital in Westminster. Getty Images. UK News and Pictures, the 12th of December, 2021. People take part in the Big Leeds Santa Dash in Roundhay Park Leeds PA UK News in Pictures. The 11th of December 2021, people arrive at a COVID-19 vaccination